This is VIVO Y21S, and today I will show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So firstly, make sure that you have the device in front of you and the packaging it came in. So here's mine. Then launch settings on your phone, enter the About Phone category. Onwards, go for the software information, and the spec that we are currently interested in is serial number. Then take the packaging. It should have the somewhat same sticker somewhere. Usually it is at the bottom side of it. And over here, below the IMEI numbers, you also have the SN. That is the serial number as well. So now you gotta compare the SN that is written over here to the one that you have at your phone specifications. And as long as those two correspond, or well, are identical, that essentially means that your phone or your smartphone is indeed original and not fake. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.